Okay, welcome to the first video, which deals with layering and opacity. First thing to do is open up the image that you'll be working with. This is one that you chose earlier when you made your collage. So we go to File, Open, and your image may be in desktop, libraries, or perhaps on a USB stick. Mine is in libraries and pictures. So I'm just going to go to my image, which I've saved previously, so it's at the bottom here. Once we've opened it, it may look a little bit big, so we're going to go to image size, and I'm going to reduce that to about 10 centimeters so it's easier to work with. So once we've done that, it's going to look quite far away, so we're just going to go to the zoom tool and zoom in. Once we've done that, we want to start looking at our layering, so we're going to go to the select tool, select the image, go to edit and copy. Now we need somewhere to put this new image, so we're going to go to new canvas, and I'm going to make one about 20 centimeters so we now have a nice space to work in. Once we've done that, we can paste the original image onto our new canvas. Now I'm going to move that out of the way so I can see the layers as they paste in. Now we go back to the original image, and we're going to go to Image, Image Rotation, and flip canvas horizontal. I want my layers to look very different patterns, so it doesn't look like the original image. So again, we select copy and paste to the new canvas. I want 4 layers on my image, so we're going to go back, and because I want them all to look differently, we've got to remember we've got to flip vertical as well as horizontal. So we're going to image rotation again, vertical flip instead of horizontal, select and paste. And one final time we're going to go to the original image, image rotation, and flip canvas horizontal. Remember to select copy and paste to the new image. So as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, each of our layers is independently shown. This means we can move each section to make a different image. So you can change it as many times as you like, as long as you don't merge the visible layers. And you can do that later on by right clicking on the layer, and it should come up at the bottom. So once I've moved them around, I quite like this pattern, but since we're going to talk about layering and opacity, I'll work with this later. So now we're going to opacity. Opacity changes how much you can see through the image. So the lighter the lower percentage the opacity, the more you can see through the image, and the higher the percentage, the less you can see through. So when we layer them up, we may be able to see some more than others. So we're going to layer them up and see which layers show through more. Once we've done that, we can see whether there are any which show through too much. I think one of them is showing up a little bit too strong. So we're going to go to our opacity and change to see each layer changing and how much we can see it. Just like with each layer, we can change this at any time as long as we don't merge visible layers. You want to think about how much you want some layers to show through, so you may want just a slightly ghosty image of the others below, or you may want to show them all together like this. So remember that you must save, but that's an easy one. you just go to Save As and go to whatever file you want to save it as. This could be on a USB stick or on the computer, or both, which is great.